my face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave.
Newton's three laws are physical laws that lay in the foundation of classical mechanics. They describe the relationship between a body and the forces acting upon it, and the motion responds to said forces. The three laws can be summed up as the law of inertia. Second law is the law of motion. Law is the law of reciprocal action.
Newton's first law. Newton's first law is every object in a state of uniform motion tends to remain in that state of motion unless acted upon by an external force. Now here we have Gabriel with a demonstration.
Say for example I grab this bottle for instance. This bottle is in a stable position, but once acted upon by a force, it can keep on rolling until stopped by a stable object.
Wave after wave, slowly drifting away, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the stream.
Newton's second law. Newton's second law states that speed is equal to distance over time. Therefore, the longer the distance and the quicker the time, the greater our overall speed will be. For example,
I grab an object with larger mass and then with smaller mass. If I then throw this object with the exact same amount of force that I will do with this one, I should be able to knock out. But if I grab an object with smaller mass and throw it at the two diaries with equal force, the two diaries will not fall over. And if I did it again, I'll still not fall over.
Newton's third law. Newton's third law is the law of reciprocal action. For every action, there is an equal or opposite reaction.
When you sit on a chair, your body exerts a force on the chair, and the chair exerts an equal force back.
I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting. It feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the stream. Wish I could make it easy.